Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to summarize and organize your notes on your Lenovo Idea Tab Plus tablet. So, there are some AI features that are presented in the Notepad application, which is pre-installed on your tablet, which you can use to easily reorganize, summarize, and rewrite your text. And to do that, let's first access the application itself, and let's create a new text note in here. Let's enter the title. Oh no, the title is a little bit above. And then let's go to the body, and here as you can see on the toolbar we have this AI tool, which we are now not able to use since we still have to input enough text for it to be able to recognize it and then summarize it and work with it generally. So let's first input some text. I'm gonna use this pencil to write the text with it. So let's enter something like Now we can also use AI features with our Lenovo Pen to either wipe text, so you just have to write over it if you want to delete it. You can select text by drawing a line like this. And you can also insert text inside by drawing an arrow next to the word that you after which you want to insert something. And then typing it on the screen. Almost. Now let me just correct it a bit, and as you can see, the AI feature is now available to use. So if you just tap on it, you'll be able to choose one of the three writing options. So we can either continue writing, or we can also summarize the text, or we can also rewrite the text if you don't like the way it sounds. And now if you want to continue writing, you'll be able to adjust the tone of your text by selecting it right here. So we can change normal to funny, for example, and we can select expanded instead of summary if you want a longer text. Then tap insert. Oh no, then we had to rewrite the text, so let's change it from normal to funny once again, and instead of summarize, expanded. And let's rewrite the text by tapping the refresh icon, and let's see what it does here. Okay, now we can copy this text by tapping right here. Then you're gonna have to tap on the text, and then no, it actually did something else. Okay, so if you tap copy and then tap share and then copy, then you'll be able to copy this text directly. You can also use share and quick share features to send this text to your other devices. You can also use the share icon right here directly, or you can insert it in here by tapping the insert icon. So as you can see, the AI has added some text here. Now let's select it like this, and let's use AI writing, and let's summarize this text. And as you can see, AI does the summarization too. Then if you like it, just tap insert. If you don't, just tap refresh. Now we can we can select the text that we want to erase and erase it almost perfectly. And now if you want to rewrite the text, just select it, select AI writing, and then AI rewrite. And then you can also change the tone and the style for your summarization. So let's keep the summary, and let's change the tone to casual, and then tap replace. Yeah, and it will replace your text basically. And those are all the AI features that are available in the Notepad application. And that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.